Hey, it's Joe here. We're doing our weekly Bitcoin giveaway. So this week, our winner is Anup Kamar. I hope I'm saying that right, Anup Kamar. So you got $50 in Bitcoin for subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So what you can do is I'll shoot you a message right here, and you can shoot me a message with your wallet on I don't think we're Facebook friends on Instagram. Hack your salary, and I will get the Bitcoin rolling your way. So let me know. So I'm also going to do a video right after this with Changely. So what I did is I spotted XEM is super low right now, so I feel like I can get at least like a 12 to 15% increase over the next week. So I went ahead and used Changely and switched over to my XEM wallet, which is actually on my phone, and to get my next transaction. Man, I'm just checking them off one by one. Check, check. All you got to do is keep rolling that compound interest, just like on my 100 steps video. Keep it coming. Thanks. Any questions? Just shoot me messages, and congratulations, Anup. Have fun investing.